Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can redeem a PayPal gift card. So first of all, you're going to have to launch your browser and then get logged into your PayPal account. You will see a page like this. Once you have done that, first of all, you're going to have to link your gift card. So for that, select this three-bar icon, select wallet. Then at this section, you will see link a new card. Select link a card. Now at this page, what you have to do is you're going to have to simply type in the gift card number, then type in the expiration date, the CVV, then select link card. Once you have linked your card, what you have to do is if you're about to make a purchase, you will also see the option to redeem something from your card. For example, let's say you've already linked your gift card, right? So when you're, purchasing something, you will see the option of gift card as well, and you may go ahead and redeem it from there. So guys, this is how easy it was. Thank you for watching.